Hi, I'm Jimmy Chang, and we're here to talk about how to graph an integer function. Now, an integer function is one of those functions that you can actually see what's going on fairly easily because it's got a pretty consistent pattern to it. In fact, when you have an integer function, it's of the form f of x equals to c, where c is actually an integer, or a constant, if you will, as long as it's a whole number, positive or negative. So, for example, if you have f of x is equal to 4, that's another way of saying y is equal to 4, because as you know, y and f of x are interchangeable. Now what that tells you here is you have a graph that crosses the y-axis at 4. So the idea here is the graph is a horizontal line at 4. Now if you have another integer function, let's just say f of x is equal to -1. -1 is an integer. That's another way of saying y equals to -1, which means you have yet another horizontal line that crosses through -1 on the y-axis. So the bottom line here is if you have an integer function, that means you have a horizontal line that crosses whatever number that you're given on the y-axis. So I'm Jimmy Chang, and that's how to graph an integer function.